My people, this na TMC TV and radio. My name na Aluke Ajakaya, and as you know for TMC TV and radio, no matter when concern you, when concern everybody to make sure our country dey better. Now we dey bring to your domot, and we dey bring am in a grand style, we dey bring am with pidgin English. Make we sharply give you the story when they come out for Edo State. Yes, until the independence matter, Governor Godino Baseki, he don't sympathize with the people when they pass through the Benin Sapele road, Benin Agbor Asaba road, Lagos Benin Road, and the Benin Auchi Road, sake of the bad condition of federal roads for the states. Obaseki talk this one for him Independence Day address and talk to Benin with am at all. Obaseki when he talk say na the Benin Auchi Road, they connect the three senatorial districts for Edo State, constantly talk say them don't try their best to solve the road matter, but the Federal Ministry of Works, they treat them as if they're no part of Nigeria. Obaseki constantly and say them don't try to do patch for the road, but the work sake of saying a reconstruction work the road need. You can see Guga President Muhammadu Buhari make it take the construction of these roads as priority before he come up for office.
I empathize with Edo people over the impassable state of federal roads that crisscross our state. For commuters going through the Benin Sapele Road, Benin Agbor Asaba Road, Benin Lagos Road, and the Benin Auchi Road, I know the horrible and frustrating experiences that you have been enduring. The Benin Auchi Road, which is the backbone and main artery connecting all senatorial zones and connects Edo State and other southern states to the northern parts of the country, is the most appalling. It is regrettable that despite all entreaties, the Federal Ministry of Works has continued to treat us as if we are not part of Nigeria. We have at several times embarked on palliative work on the failed portions of these roads, but it is clear that what is needed is reconstruction work, which rests on the federal government who owns these roads. We therefore appeal to President Muhammadu Buhari to make the reconstruction and rehabilitation of these roads a priority for the remaining months of his tenure in office.
For matter when concern 2023 election, Obaseki constantly chook mouth and advise all the stakeholders and politicians make them comport themselves proper during period of campaign.
The 2023 general elections is going to be a watershed moment for our country, as it will determine who will pilot the affairs of our country for another 4 years. The campaigns for the general elections have commenced in earnest. I appeal to all stakeholders to conduct themselves responsibly by carrying on their campaigns in line with the provisions of the Electoral Act.
This story they come to you from TMC TV and radio. My name na Aluke Ajakaya. Don't forget your PVC na be your power. Not sell and give any politician on election day.